Hello YouTube, how are you today? Now I'd like to give you a tutorial how to install GPS bn220 on tyro79 flight controller. But we have a big problem with this cheap flight controller. You know that? Flight controller of tyro79 only has two UART, UART 1 and UART 2. UART stands for Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. It means a physical serial port transmit and receive data at the same time. My flight controller don't have enough UART, so I should install a virtual UART. We say that softserial. Softserial are virtual UART port, and you need to create them when we don't have enough physical UART port on your flight controller. You can use LED pad or PPM input. Take a look at this picture. bn220 have 4 wires. Pin number 1, black, it means ground. And pin number 2 and number 3, I switch for TX and RX. Pin number 2, green, it means RX. And pin number 3, white, it means TX. And then pin number 4, for VCC or pipe fall. Why I switch TX and RX? In order to the GPS symbol will appear at the OSD. If I am not switch the TX and RX wire, at the OSD won't appear the GPS symbol. Then I solder on TX2 with white wire, on RX2 green wire, on the faithful red wire, and on the ground black wire. Follow this picture. You can see beside 5-volt pad we can find LED pad. We can solder it to activate softserial to smartaudio of this flight controller. Go to better flight and TLI tab, and then you type resource. Find LED strip on resource and write the serial code on your notepad. In my play controller, I read A08. Type TLI resource space LED space strip 1 space none. Enter. And then resource space serial underscore TX space 11 space A08, enter, and then save. Congratulations, you have succeeded create a virtual UART. Go to configuration and then you should enable softserial. Go to port tab and you can find softserial 1. Set this softserial 1 into VTX and UART 2 on tyro flight controller to GPS. The last step, copy and paste coding at description this video, then paste into CLI. And don't forget to set the OSD, satellite number, direction, GPS latitude, GPS longitude, etc.